for pharmaceutical, like some. We have phase one, phase two. In rural Ghana, for an and we are lining up.
This is a man, one man. He has supplied thousands of people. Now, Papa, we say, Yafa, Akunyani mana. Now, Musa say, Musu onim kasa, onim kasa, obi otimi food, ejina etimi table so there. Eno na me hwehwe. Kasa ne record yen. Ye wo bi obekasa fan man. Edi brofu bebre baye, wo baye no befa your friend say, city no from 3 cities or they are 17 cities. Hello, hi, Xposed G8. The name is Ben Bruce. Subscribe, share, little man on Sa and Yakabi. Kennedy Akopreko Japan, the next president of Ghana. I say it with what? All boldness, because I know what I'm talking about. Me, I'm a spiritual, I'm a physical person. So when I say what I say. And I was saying, you watch us and your mouth, watch us and your talk. Watch us on your year, watch us at Sabe, or Tumra, or Tusia, or Tresia, or Tumro, says here, is any kind of. What's I after all the achievement, monumental achievements, no, and then will be the biggest pharmaceutical company in West Africa.
For pharmaceutical, like some. We have phase one, phase two. In rural Ghana, for an and we are lining up. This is what we're going to do. So, send away, I'm on to bring your Ghana. The higher research, said this is what we need.
This is the main pharmaceutical plant where medicines will be produced. So till now, everything is imported from other countries. Now we are trying to, Honorable Ken, his dream is to produce everything in Ghana. So that's his initiative, his dream. So he has been following up. So this is the vision that we are trying to put it on paper. And all the products, everything will be manufactured in Ghana, within Ghana. So there is nothing that will be imported. So for all the people, the medicine will be here and the quality would be the best. I mean, what people get in US, America, Europe, they're not the people. We are also the people.
Yeah.
So the medicine, the quality that they get, we should get it. That's his dream. So he wanted that quality, not cheap. We don't want any charity from anyone. This is not charity. This is something that he is visioning. So we'll have this plant and everything will be manufactured in Ghana, including injectables. Injectables are all imported into Ghana, West Africa.
Everything
is imported, even today. So he is dreaming of getting everything into Ghana and investing into this area. So,
thank you.
Yeah.
So when is it going to start? When is it? Because
very soon. If I'm not serious, I'll not cut my trip. I was in Bono East, in Tampo area. Today I should have been in Pru West and Pru East. But I left everything to come and meet them to assure you that this project, this is the smallest. Because what we need about 40,000 acres for the ethanol. And the good thing, they were asking for water. Then I told them, we have a dam here.
you have a river.
Yeah. And we'll treat it. Because as for health, should make sure everything is hygienic. You just don't come up with inferior stuff. No. So you should be rest assured. I don't like litigation that I start today and tomorrow you come and tell me. I spoke to Akwesi Alaji. He showed me a land that I was buying. But later on, I saw some group on it. I don't want that thing to happen again. That's why I brought them here. for you to see that whatever I say, I mean it. And leave the rest to me. Once we have the land, we'll give them 100 acres. 100 acres, I'll pay for it for them to sell. The rest, we are going to use it for the ethanol and starch plant. That is also a different group from Turkey and Dubai. I'll bring them. Yeah. So the first thing, I want to do something for Central Region. So if you have that idea, right? Assuring them.
Think I'm a president. 2029. Inshallah. Sure. His Excellency. Sure.
I we are show. Who say make us an amin to make oh ka great man one sama esa wotobo. And then yes say what make a great man one sama you'll be great one day. Take it from me. Project way or you work as one a Central Region. The biggest pharmaceutical company. Share only idea back Africa will lack a health sector. No, in no be bria ye organic na ye cry. And don't be your cry ye trauma wa. They to cry wo but most of our pharmacies don't see any be. Now, you see, the health of the nation is the wealth of the nation. Sabe, omanya omapom de ejina bem no omusekasam so ejina yi. Ade nti omkasa. Papa, sa uye sikani na yare bi bowa. Usikani nyina ebesa. Africa adia yenye won say ye be invest in our health. Rather we invest in enjoyments. Kwasie bisa no ti ho no num biye. No di enam no rere girls. Osimani ade me bo life oboa enche obewu. What do you mean? Invest in our health. Ti na ko China, osikani warenam. Osikani deep fruits and other things to live healthy because really it comes to a time ubenyi wa bobra wa hwe wo manyina awie omunyina wo sika. You need to live what we call the good life after. Maybe there, they be a baby. Me say we live life after 60. Yes, because at that time, no, a juma crowd will be what's it o man eba a juma na wo ye no e so for so na ba the companies be asisi no afa na wo ba be di susika. Na satan na oho dodo wa. Can you take care of yourself? No. To most of them no after 60 no matter any vegetable. And no na akopra ko say there be on panisa. Or recognize say Ghana, ye bemwa, ye share health center, ya tom. It's all building the biggest in West Africa. And do you know how much is going to employ people? Thousands. This is a man, one man. He has employed thousands of people. Now, Papa, we say, Yofa, Akunyani mana. Now, what's the same? Musu anim kasa. Hey, me I don't care. Bonim kasa onim kasa obi otimi food ejina etimi table so de eno na me hwehwe kasa na record yen ye wo bi obekasa fan man e de brofu bebre baye wo baye no befa your friend say city no from 3 cities or they are 17 cities good kasa for fine ye gentleman no wo no buy inflation na 15 wo we not na 52%. Is that what we want? Somebody who doesn't know his left from his right. Obi book long. Then we are mad people. I don't want to be mad. I want to be a sensible person. That's why I'm urging the delegates to vote for Kennedy and Japan. No, it's behind every successful man, there is a woman. Let's go and listen to the incoming first lady of Ghana.
Sisi ayi flag bearer. Flag bearer ni yekoyi a enye no ano. Afei na nipa ayi no ye koton no amagana fo. Inti question. Aso nipa me koto abayamani. Me ton no magana fo a ombeto ana. Me ton no magana fo a ombeto ana. If you say you flag bearer na eboson wa ye ni to me no. ye need to me so Ghana for and a dema and ye MPP for one ye flag bearer ye post to no as now say Ghana for so a post and a room so na many a rabbi didn't come or say yaje and near nam so oh ade o say ye need to me NDC for ti ma so beti me na ti wo bo say they hold you post no a year na nke wo power ke bia nka menim obi a wonim obi na nka yakɔhwɛ yaje niema na power ehu hia pa enkofo a yakam omo fɛ adwuma mu NDC for bae obi wɔ adwuma mu afe ene akyire enso yabeyi na fi wa saade na betena fie efi so ɔno so de ne de ɛkɔhwɛ hɔ edi enti na otimi yesa if they say okura power kanya se okura power ontimi emepamo emfiri adwuma ma disa bia ne se ye power no ne yetimi I implement eniyama bebree at least ye mpanimfo mienu omudi ye mindie ye nimso omo ba omo so ye mu kakra president Kofo and President Kufuor into MPP ye wo power ya na ye ma Ghana for enkola ene maayo no ya na okonkran dua na dua ya na arewo omo de da bridge ase omo de da ekwan ho ye na nka ba bia ne maame ne papa wo nka adwuma bi wo ba o ya ka onfo ka enmankran emeda abonten ono abokan o say baby a woni ne nama ahade senya asase fie betumi adua we wo ho na factory we wo de hye ha se ya na a process enrobai a abai na nka adwuma ubie factory ebefa consequence na factory no won ehofo na kwa ha be ya adwuma na enwo ehia sa obefa ka abankran ababeda awonten e mai wo no pa na ya na ahonte merci power eya niema bebree ye musa ye ho aso nipa ya me koto aba amani me to ho me magana fo a omo beto ana sa question ehu hia nka if you no answer niema bebree a question bebree a wo yiti se Ghana fo ento dia enye mese na mo me nsesa ikoko mti na yanto abama honorable Kennedy
Oba so no oba fefe yes maami we upe abotre a konase na ko bisa wonu na Kennedy se me ko wo boss fabra me se enemri aye we wo yire ko wo ba ko boss majawo maami we watete nkola over 17 and still counting enti owo abadaye owo patience sabi no nim senia otimi dada ni kuna sabi ni kunu ko off obeti na kase bra line him. These two people are self-made people. Now mami we o kase enye se o kasa mama or ye rich woman or wosika eja won ho ye kase ja kudi won ho wa wonti ase ne kase ja obi ho a sika won ho. Or you'll be a business until they understand the psyche, the dynamics of business. These are the things that we need in Ghana. Yeah, near way, near Kofa book, etc. Nasa, you better hear Okroka. Into more book, actually, that made me the action man. The action man, the man of the moment, Obi a Ghana, Ghana, and here I can Japan.